Hi there, and welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Imagine this. You've just pulled over roadside after a long drive. Maybe you're running late for an appointment. You're about to change a tire when you discover you've lost the wheel lock key and you forgot your hammer. It's a classic dilemma. And today, I'll walk you through a safe and effective method to remove a locking lug nut using only a sturdy rock. First up, place a 19mm 12-point socket loosely over the locking lug nut. As expected, it slips, it doesn't grip, and turning it fails to budge the nut. Shows why a precise, tight fit is essential, especially when you're operating without standard tools. Now, grab that solid rock and tap the socket onto the locking nut, gently yet deliberately. You're aiming for the socket to bite into the lock, so it grabs securely. This method mirrors widely endorsed advice. Mechanics often recommend hammering on a slightly smaller socket to get that snug fit, even if, in this case, your substitute is a rock. Once the socket is firmly seated, attach your electric impact wrench in reverse. The snug contact lets the wrench deliver the torque needed to free the nut cleanly. After the locking nut is removed, swap it out for a standard lug nut. Begin threading by hand to avoid cross-threading. Then use a lug wrench to tighten in a crisscross sequence, distributing pressure evenly across the wheel. Whenever possible, torque to the manufacturer's specifications at your earliest opportunity for safety. To recap, we began with a warm welcome and a relatable roadside scenario. The first attempt demonstrates how a loose-fitting socket fails. The second attempt succeeds using a rock to achieve a snug fit, combined with the power of an impact wrench. Finally, we replaced the lock with a regular lug nut and ensured proper seating. The key takeaway? Even an improvised tool like a rock can save the day, so long as the socket is properly seated. And above all, keep your wheel lock keys safe, or always carry a spare.